Hello friends, so today we are going to discuss about chapter number 2 of physics, that is physical quantities and measurement. So the density of a body or a substance is its mass per unit volume. So in this sentence it is said that the density of the body, to find the density of the body, the substance has the mass per unit volume. So it means density equals to mass upon volume. Then the relation between the two units is 1000 kg meter cube equals to 1 gram slash cubic centimeter. Cc means cubic centimeter. So this is the unit for the relation between the two units of density. Then to determine the density of the irregular solid. So this was the unit for the finding the density of the regular solids. Sorry, means the objects which has a particular size and shape. So that's why it is used. These units are used for finding that type of solid or liquid. In this question we have to see how we have to measure the irregular solids or the density of it. First is the spring balance. A spring balance. So a spring balance is a machine, we can say, in which a box like structure is there. One scale is there, side marking is there up to 500 grams. When we hang the object on the hanger of the spring balance, it measures and the scale moves how the weight is it. So the scale moves up to the 500 or lower than it. Then comes a physical balance. So we have seen in the markets, when our moms or dad go to the market for shopping, we say it as taraju. So what the shopkeepers do, they keep the stone like structure of the measurement one side, and one vegetable or what you want to buy, they kept one side. So if their weight is similar according to the stone, so it will be equal. Or if the vegetable, fruits or whatever you want to need from the shop, so the substance will be higher or lower than it. So same like the physical balance also, but it has up to 1 gram consistency to keep the object up to 1 grams. So I hope you understood this topic. In next video we will proceed further with another topic.